Let's look on the next option we have. It's a planet. So when we go and click and create a planet, you'll notice right here by default it's placed at moon. Okay, if we're selecting planet and preview, you can see right here we have our object. Even we see in a camera, and we can actually bring closer to the camera, the object still be rendering behind the atmosphere effect. Okay, as we're selecting, you'll notice we have additional properties for the planets. So we can select from our all Mercury, Venus, Pluto. Hey, look, Pluto still be planet. So we have all of these different areas. By default, it's moon. We also can preload it custom. The custom options may be not available in all versions of the view. But if you have it, you can go ahead, access, and add all these different. So for example, if we go select fish, now we'll have it a fish look right here. Let's render just preview. Before that, I want to make all open. So you can see right in the window, we kind of have it different. So you can create a different textures, apply customizations. Let's go back to the moon. Okay. Used objects, we also can scale, but using a normal scale tool. And you can see it's add this effect as well. If we can look at the preview a little bit closer. Here, you can see we have an atmospheric haze, fog, and some perspective applied, atmosphere effect applied to this. Early versions, sometimes I was using planets to place as a stars. You don't need to do this anymore. You can go to atmosphere editor, and you can also use environmental map beyond the atmosphere, so we can set stars, galaxies, and other ones, and it will place them behind the atmosphere effect, which is kind of nice about this. But overall, with the planets, again, you can resize, you can scale, do all these properties. You can change phases. It's based on the lighting to match from where sun coming directions. We also have the brightness options and softness limit on the lighting around this. So if we remove it, you can see it will be higher contrast. And if we add softness, right edges right here, you can see how it's got a little bit more natural effect going. Okay, so this is about planets.